Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily do a soft reset of your MARSHALL WOBURN III speaker. So, at first we have to find the power switch, which is here, and we have to pull and switch it to the up. Now our speaker is turned off. Now we have to wait 10 to 20 seconds to do this soft reset actually. It's because this procedure is to reset all the cache, I'd say, or all the dynamic saved things in our speaker, and after this 10 to 20 seconds it will be resetted and it will just disappear. Now this time is done, so we can turn our speaker on back again. And this is called soft reset. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.